Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the camera settings. Now we have to pick photos category, and at the last position we have watermark here. Here we are. We can add the timestamp watermark here and also the device one. By using the buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this or both at the same time, and with the device watermark we have connected signature, so here we can add our own custom watermark, for example HardReset, and save it here. They appear also in the short preview at the real picture, but now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a photo. Now let's move to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have shot on Motorola Edge 20 Lite, device watermark with HardReset, the custom one in the second line, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, to photos, watermark, and manage this as we need or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.